Some dropping visibility for some of those spots seeing some of this activity, and there's a lot that's happening. It's a rapidly changing system between types of precipitation because of the temperatures that we're experiencing that have come up. We enjoy those, but it certainly makes my job a little bit more difficult today to detect where we're seeing rain, freezing rain, or snow. Right now, we're seeing some of that mix happening right around the perimeter of Polk County and seeing more of that sustained snowfall farther to the west and to the north. So it's really going to depend on where you are and what the temperature is to determine what you're going to be experiencing where you are for today. Right now, we're still just working with those cloudy skies over Des Moines, though. 30 degrees, feeling a little bit cooler than that, but definitely an improvement from what we had been feeling with that Arctic freeze from the last few days. Good news, we keep the 30s around. Bad news, it comes with some of that wintry precip for the next few days. That may be good news for some of you, though. We continue to work with those increased chances for precipitation as we head through the rest of today. As we head toward the afternoon and the later afternoon, you'll notice that things are going to become a bit more sustained. This is going to be a wet snow that's going to pack on pretty tightly, just given the temperatures we're experiencing. And because of those temperatures, we're also going to be looking at some melting, and not a lot of that may stick. So that's going to make looking at those snow totals a little bit interesting. Let's track this hour by hour. We'll continue to watch as that mix moves closer in on the metro. More of that sustained snowfall expected through the afternoon. Your lunch hour could be slick. You might want to pack that lunch this morning so you don't have to go out on the roads. This evening, we will be seeing more of that snowfall all across the state. Your commute is going to be a little bit tricky on the drive home, so make sure you're giving yourself some extra time. Tonight, more of this moves to the east of I-35, but it sort of back builds as we head into your Thursday, watching as this comes up more from the south, just beneath I-80 for much of your Thursday, and continuing to see a pretty similar trend coming in once again at kind of that diagonal to the east of I-35 as we head into Friday morning. A couple more days still expecting to see this wintry mix for us, and we'll continue to keep our eyes on it until it really exits the state on Saturday, leaving behind some cloudy skies. This morning, we are seeing some ice accumulation, so you've got to account for that. Things are going to be pretty slick out there, so you'll definitely need to take some extra time out on the roads. As far as how much snow we could see for today, I think at most we'll see around 2 inches for most of central Iowa. Some spots a little bit higher, but remember that melting process, packing it in really tight, that's going to bring down those totals a bit. After we add in what we expect to see for Thursday and Friday, sure, you might see some spots that technically those measurements come in at 5-6 inches. But again, that melting process, that means your snow depth is going to be a little bit lower, and you might not end up seeing quite as much as that as we head toward the end of the week. Again, another look at that local snow total count that we expect to see. Drier conditions this weekend, though, and we're already keeping our eyes for the middle of next week when we could have another system coming our way.